Venus, the second planet from the Sun, is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty and is the only planet named after a female. Venus may have been named after the most beautiful deity of Pantheon because it's shown the brightest among the 5 planets known to ancient astronomers. In ancient times, Venus was often thought to be 2 different stars, the evening star and the morning star, that is, the ones that first appeared at sunset and sunrise. Venus and Earth are often called twins because they are similar in size, mass, density, composition, and gravity. The size of Venus is only a little smaller than our home planet, with a mass that's about 80% of Earth's. The interior of Venus is made of a metallic core that's roughly 2,400 miles wide. Venus' molten rocky metal is roughly 1,200 miles thick. Venus' crust is mostly basalt and is estimated to be 6 to 12 miles thick on average. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system, although Venus is not the planet closest to the Sun. Its dense atmosphere traps heat in a runaway version of the greenhouse effect that forms Earth. As a result, temperatures on Venus reach 880 degrees Fahrenheit, which is more than hot enough to melt lead. Spacecraft have survived only a few hours after landing on the planet before being destroyed. The atmosphere on Venus is hellish as well, consisting mainly of carbon dioxide with clouds of sulfuric acid and only trace amounts of water. The atmosphere is heavier than that of any other planet, leading to a surface pressure that's over 90 times that of Earth, similar to the pressure that exists 3,300 feet deep in the ocean. The surface of Venus is extremely dry. During its evolution, ultraviolet rays from the Sun evaporated water quickly, keeping the planet in a prolonged molten state. There is no liquid water on its surface today because the scorching heat created by an ozone-filled atmosphere would cause water to boil away. Roughly 2/3 of the Venus surface is covered by flat, smooth plains that are marred by thousands of volcanoes, some of which are still active today, ranging for about 0.5 to 150 miles wide, with lava flows carving long, winding canals that are up to more than 3,000 miles in length, longer than on any other planet. Venus takes 243 days to rotate on its axis, which is by far the slowest of any of the major planets. And because of this sluggish spin, its metal core cannot generate a magnetic field similar to Earth's. The magnetic field of Venus is about 0.0000015 times that of Earth's magnetic field. If viewed from above, Venus rotates on its axis in a direction that's the opposite of most planets. That means on Venus, the Sun would appear to rise in the west and set in the east. On Earth, the Sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west. The Venusian year. The time it takes to orbit the Sun is about 225 Earth days long. Normally, that would mean that days on Venus would be longer than years. However, because of Venus' curious retrograde rotation, the time from one sunrise to the next is only about 117 Earth days long. The very top layer of Venus cloud zips around the planet every 4 Earth days, propelled by hurricane-force winds traveling roughly 224 miles per hour. The superrotation of planet's atmosphere, some 60 times faster than Venus itself rotates, may be one of the Venus' biggest mysteries. The Soviet Union's Venera 7 was the first spacecraft to land on another planet, having landed on Venus in December 1970. Venera 9 returned the first photograph of the Venusian surface. The first Venusian orbit, NASA's Magellan, generated maps of 90% of the planet's surface, showing features as much as 330 feet across. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you want some more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care, bye bye, stay home, stay safe.